Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. And today we are out in the garden and we have so much work to do. So we're gonna go ahead and put these bad boys in the ground. I gotta poke some holes inside of them. I gotta let some of them loose. As you can see, these bad boys about to blow up. So we're gonna loosen those up and see what they do. Alright, so I'm really scared to open this one up. That one's gonna pop. Look, it's like, watch it.
Oh! Oh!
Now, did you guys see that? That was ridiculous. That's why I had to hurry up and get them things out of my house. Jeez.
Bro, imagine like it exploded.
In the house?
No, imagine it exploded while we were sleeping.
In the house, underneath the sink, in the kitchen?
Then we just like opened the thing, and then we just see like this everywhere.
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna put the first one right here.
Oh, so we're not opening the other ones?
The other ones they're not gonna do what those two did.
Oh man.
But we're gonna put one over here. See, now my sand is turning into soil.
It's weird. On all of those.
Oh, this was so easy to poke holes with. The lettuce made you feel better? Guess what I got in this bag? Some hot-ish.
No.
Some horse manure.
Nah, it's horse poop.
Horse manure.
Bro, we were on a walk. She just saw.
Why are you telling people all my secrets?
It's a secret. Why is it a secret? You already told them.
But this is composted manure. So we're gonna give these to the plants.
Bro, I can't even smell it.
Yeah, because it's composted.
You're like, bro, nah. We don't need any of that.
Yes, we do.
You're like, now let me get some of that horse poop.
No gloves needed. She took her with her bare hands.
You are lying.
Just put it all in a bag.
Alright, you guys, so we're gonna put some of these little boogers in the ground. They're all so cute. we're gonna trim these down at a 45-degree angle.
What's a 45-degree angle? Don't cut yourself. A drink.
You want to drink a drink? Honey, you just dumped that? For what? That girl got hot.
I can jump way farther.
Go over there.
Alright, y'all, we're finna get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it today. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, annoyingasdidi. Peace, love, and shade butter, baby.